is electrochemistry. Electrochemistry, there are two cells. First was electrolysis and second one is the galvanic cell. There are two energy. First is the electrical energy and second is the chemical energy. By the definition of the electrochemistry, first, a science studying the relationship between chemical energy and electrical energy and the rules of conversion of two energies. And second, the electrochemistry is the study of solution of electrolytes and the phenomena occurring at the electrodes immersed in this solution. Electrolytes, substance whose solution in water conducts electric current. Conduction takes place by the movement of ions. Example are salt, acid and bases. Salt, there are NaCl, acid is the HCl and bases are the NaOH. For example, the substance whose aqueous solution does not conduct electricity are called non-electrolyte. Example are solution of cane sugar, glucose, urea, etc. Types of electrolyte. Firstly, the strong electrolytes are highly ionized in the solution. Example are the HCl, H2, SO4, NaOH, KOH, etc. Weak electrolytes are only feebly ionized in the solution. The example is the H2CO3, CS3C double bond OH and NH4OH. This is the carbonate and acetic acid and ammonium hydroxide, etc. And the difference between electronic and electric conductors, the electronic conductors and electrolytic conductors. The firstly, the flow of electricity takes place without the decomposition of substance. Flow of electricity takes place by the decomposition of the substance. Second type of the electronic conductors is conduction is due to the flow of electron. Second is the flow of electricity is due to the movement of ions. Third is the conduction decreases with increase in temperature. And the third is the electrolytic conductors. Third topic is the conduction increases with increase in temperature. Next topic is the resistance. Resistance refers to the opposition to the flow of current in diagrammatically. For a conductors of the uniform cross section A and the length L, resistance is the R. Therefore, R is directly proportional to the length and R is inversely proportional to the 1 upon A. A is the uniform cross sectional area. Where is called the resistivity or specific resistance. Next is the conductance. Conductance, the reciprocal of the resistance is called conductance. It is denoted by C. C is equal to the conductance is equal to 1 upon resistance. Conductors allows electric current to pass through them. Example are metal, aqueous solution of the acid, bases and salt, etc. Unit of conductance is ohm inverse or mho or Siemens. This is the symbol of S. Insulator do not allow the electric current to pass through them. Example are pure water, urea, sugar, etc. Specific conductivity. Specific conductance is the K is equal to 1 upon P. The conductance of unit volume of the cell is the specific conductance in the diagrammatically, but P is equal to A upon L into R. K is equal to L upon A dot R. K is equal to L upon A into conductance. The one L upon A is known as a cell constant. The unit of specific conductance is ohm inverse per centimeter inverse. Next is the equivalent conductance. And it is the conductance of 1 gram equivalent of the electrolyte dissolved in V volume in cc of the solution. Equivalent conductance, it is represented by lambda. Mathematically, lambda is equal to K into V. K is the constant and V is the volume. Lambda is equal to K into 1000 upon normality. K is the specific conductivity, V is the volume of the solution and Cc and contain one equivalent of the electrolyte. Molar conductance, it is the conductance of a solution containing 1 mole of the electrolyte in VCC of solution. It is represented by mu. Mu is equal to K into V. K is equal to 1000 into molarity. where V is equal to volume solution in Cc, mu is equal to molar conductance, K is a specific conductance, M is molality. Effect of solution of work on conductivity. Specific conductivity decreases on dilution. Equivalent conductance both increases with dilution and reaches a maximum value. The conductance of all electrolyte increases with temperature. Determination of equivalent conductivity using the Whitson-Bridge inner diagrammatically. Determination of specific conductivity, resistance box, secondary and primary, thermostat and conductivity cell. This is the diagram. And the ions move with different speed of opposite electrode. There are the H plus is greater than OH, and this is the copper, it is the 2 plus. Diagrammatically it is the two specific electrode. Next is the theoretical device of the heat drops.